Hi, hello. I'm Eva Salyer. I'm an artist. I live in Grass Valley, California. I'm open for commissions. um, let's see here. I was born in Walnut Creek, so I started making art in Walnut Creek. A lot of my art was like I'm feeling a lot of feelings. I don't know where to put them, and so my mom and other people were like, "Here's some art supplies. Put those feelings somewhere," and that's kind of how I came to know the benefits of art. so if if you're ever overwhelmed and you can somehow get yourself with some art supplies, like you'll be surprised at what comes out if you're crying or like in pure joy. um it's just such a like meditative type of like distraction. It makes your brain happy. um so let's see, what style of art do I make? That's like the ultimate question, right? I have this joke that like I'm 46, but I still don't know what I like to paint because it comes out different every time. And I've been doing a lot of back-to-back commissions, which also like it's very interesting if I do enough commissions, like when coming back to a blank canvas when it's just whatever Eva wants. Like I have no idea what to do. Sometimes I'm like, what? It's kind of an interesting feeling to just be like, is there am I done? Like, is any more art gonna come out? Is that it? Which is like a weird fear I have of being a full-time artist, that I'm gonna run out. That it's gonna empty one day and shoot blanks. Anyway, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. I really would appreciate you liking this video, even if I was awkward, or maybe especially if I was awkward. Um, comment, ah, and then subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to do this like 30-day getting to know you thing, and just for me to push myself out my comfort zone and like talk a little bit more to you and interact with you. So if you got this far in the video, tell me what I should paint. What should I paint next? Okay, because I'm kind of being pulled to like, I'm always being pulled to heads and hair and stuff, but I have this abstract thing going, and then I'm like, how do I merge the abstract and the ladies with the hair? So it's everything's crashing together right now, and it's like really exciting. So yeah, what should I paint? Challenge me. Please subscribe. Help a weirdo out.